go.
So we had to do a retake because Alex was focusing on my fat. Okay. Window cleaning tool belt 2019. What do I use for a window cleaning tool belt? So the first thing is the actual belt. The belt is a AMP HP belt. These you just get at like Lowe's. Lowe's or Home Depot. I think Home Depot usually carries Husky, and then Lowe's usually carries and Husky. I like the Husky Carpenter belt the best, but this one works pretty good. This one has more areas, more notches as far as being able to get it tighter, but these little things come off pretty simple. These things come off pretty easy, not simple. As far as the bag in which I have everything in, I really like this bag in particular. I can do a lot of things with it. So my belt is actually going to probably be changing here soon, so I'll probably do another belt thing soon, but we'll get to that in later videos. So nice thing about this thing is 6-inch squeegee on the front there, and that little thing. Bronze wool pad I always put right in there. It has a bunch of pockets in here for everything. Carry my towels in the middle, putty knife right here. Usually have a magic eraser. There's little things right in there as well. And then track brush and water key. And then I'm able to put steel wool in there as well. Dry steel wool can go right in there. You keep a lot of stuff pretty separate. And then there's room for a little squirt bottle here as well. And then what's nice is they have parts out here where you can put tools as well. So when I'm doing commercial storefront, I usually put that right there. On the back, I always just have the 6-inch Ninja Scraper holster. Pretty simple right there. And then on the side, I just have the Xero silencer. This is usually how I hold my tools with the Xero silencer. I'm using an 18-inch squeegee. I'll put the 18-inch here. The only thing that I find, but I find this with any holsters and Mowerman handles, is because of this, none of them hold very well in anything, Samurai or anything. So it holds good back here, but this is the only handle that has issues holding here. So if you need like a different handle here, Leggy's handle, Unger Ninja handle, all those hold really well here. So I've had this for how many months now? Almost 5 months.
March or April.
Early May. Oh. So let's see. Okay. 4 months-ish. I haven't cleaned it in a while, so it looks dirty, but like it's all holding out very, very well. Nothing fabric-wise has come loose at all or anything. And this was a demo, wasn't all final. So that's very good. But that's my tool belt 2019. It's really simple. I've simplified everything down. What?
Should we show my tool belt?
Let's show Alex's tool belt. Come venture. Okay, so now we're gonna check out Alex's tool belt. Okay, show us what you got.
I got the silencer.
The Xero silencer.
And then this little thingy where I hang my wet towels on.
Okay.
My scraper.
Scraper.
And then this little thing where I keep dry towels in.
So this thing's pretty cool in that this is magnetic back here. I think that outside.
Yeah.
So you can just, steel wool can go to that if you like.
But it falls off, so I put it on the inside, but it sticks to that. And I keep my key in the same part, and it never falls out because of the magnetic parts. And yeah.
What else?
That's it. That's
it.
That's it. That's all.
How do you hold your squeegees in your silencer?
Like this.
Yeah.
I will only have a 14 and a 18. And I just put them in like that.
So when we were gunslingers, Alex never liked putting the squeegee there in front. I love putting the squeegee here in front. She always puts it in the back. We gotta go. It's raining. But here's your tool belt video. We really gotta go. All right. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.